What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for another Jurassic World VelociCoaster video. Today, they're doing technical rehearsals, also known as soft openings. Before we head inside the park, let's go check out an old friend. Mardi Gras is all done, and the bead tree, well, it's lost a lot of the beads. As they've cleaned up, there's still a couple remaining. We'll see you back next Mardi Gras, though. Hello, Lighthouse, and it's somewhere in the low 80s. No humidity. It's actually kind of nice for the weekend. A little bit busier. Ticket windows have a little bit of a line. There's no more temperature checks. Security was a breeze, and front entrance, pretty much all the turnstiles are open except for the center one. We'll be right in. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. Wait times, let's check them out. Park is open until 9. We can see Hogwarts Express 60 minutes. Jurassic Park River Adventure was 40 minutes. Hagrid's is at 60 minutes, not too bad. And then we can see Kong 120 minutes. Some of the other attractions at 25. So yeah, a little bit busier. There's the Jurassic World VelociCoaster with the train going over the top hat. Awesome to see. And we can also see guests down below in the extended queue. And here we go. We're in the queue.
We were back here.
We were back there. Let's do this, baby. Soft openings, technical rehearsals, 75-minute wait. And we're about to go into the kind of extended overflow area.
Ladies and gentlemen, the VelociCoaster. Ladies,
please be sure to follow the instructions of our ride attendants for specific seating assignments.
can't retrieve any lost items from the paddock once they're gone. I'm here to help keep you and your belongings safe during your raptor run today.
Paleo-veterinary science that was designed and developed right in order to formulate complex game plan, properly careful. And now, you can take advantage of the opportunity all this provides to see these raptors in thrilling close proximity.
And today, single rider is open, so I'm gonna give it a try right now. See how long it takes. And just like the main queue, this area has lockers and metal detectors. Alright, so just did single rider, waited literally 15 minutes. That's it. If you see the line inside the station area, it shouldn't be long at all as far as having 4 trains on and everything. Fantastic. Absolutely love it. VelociCoaster. VelociFishies. There's a lot of them too. Well, we're about to try for ride number 6 for the day. Single rider line, really helping us out. All right, so we've done 9 times now, and I just got my first night ride. Amazing. It's pitch black, can't see too much. The lights on the train do provide little glimpses here and there of what's going on, but it is so dark. It's so good. Well, let's go again, shall we? This will make number 10.
Don't worry, so for me, keep all the way up there.
And here we are for number 10. So we're about to make our way inside the building, and we're literally the last ones in line. No one else.
Let's get you ready to enter the paddock with real live raptors. Before placing it in the locker.
Mr. DNA!
When you return, you will arrive to the other side of the lockers.
Alright, now it's time to go to the lockers. Well, I gotta say, what an incredible day. We had a chance to ride 10 times. A bunch in the front, a couple times in the middle, and a bunch in the back. Awesome ride, and it feels like it got better with every single cycle that I had on it. And one thing I did want to point out, inside the queue, when you're watching the video of Owen and Claire, when it switches the nighttime outside, the video also changes to nighttime. So there's a lot of neat stuff that they tied in all over the place. Scale of 1 to 10, I am still giving this thing, if not a 9.5, a 10. It's that good. Everybody's coming back in the station and they're clapping, so we're having a good time. And of course, I'm gonna get a whole bunch more rides this summer on this thing. VelociCoaster, awesome job. And that's gonna do it. Time to get out of the park. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another video here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic World VelociCoaster, Day 2 of technical rehearsals and soft openings. Man, we had a blast. 10 rides on the beast. And of course, we're going to be back for plenty more videos. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.